reviewing, mentoring and doing all these collections of books in this channel. So today I brought you another series by Riordan. This is the Heroes of Olympus series. So let's see the books first and then I'll give you some information of these books and the series. So before the books, let's go to the author. I think we have a little bit about this author over here. Yep, we do. So Riordan is an American author. So he started writing these books as a bedtime story for his son. But after that, somehow they turned into really good fiction books for children and they were sold worldwide. He is also a Greek mythological person who knows a lot about Greek mythology, Roman mythology and Norse mythology. That's all about Riordan. Now let's go to the books. First book of this series, Heroes of Olympus, The Lost Hero. So keep it here. The Son of Neptune. The Monk of Athena. The House of Hades. Last but not least, The Blood of Olympus. So now for a bonus book in this series. Let me go to my magic locket. Okay, here we go. The Demigod Diaries. I reviewed this book in an early video that was posted way before, like at the beginning of this channel. So let's see a little bit. We have the prophecy that's regarding this series. I'll read it out to you and after that we can just check what's going on in these books. So the prophecy is, 7 half-bloods shall answer the call. To storm or fire the world must fall. An oath to keep with the final breath and force bare arms to the doors of death. So the 7 half-bloods are Jason Grace, Leo Valdez, Piper McLean, Frank Zhang, Hazel Levesque, Percy Jackson and Annabeth Chase. So they have to unscroll this prophecy and in the end they save the world. No, it's not right now that I'm gonna review this whole set. You'll have to wait for a lot more videos in the future to check these 5 books review. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share and visit my FB page. You'll see more of these books for sale and more of these videos in my YouTube channel. So bye! See you next day!